we will study questions related to subtraction of 3-digit numbers. So now let us start our next exercise, that is self practice 4a. In this we have to subtract the following questions. In the first question, the question is given to us 694 minus 341. So again we will start from the ones column only. 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3. So our answer is 353. In second question, our question is 887 minus 654. Again we will start from the ones column. It is written 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we are adding 3 in the ones column. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we are adding 3 in the tens column. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we are adding 2 in the hundred column. Then in third question, our question is 573 minus 430. So again we are starting from the ones column. 3 minus 0. Children, whenever any of the number we are subtracting 0 from that, so our answer will be the number itself. So here 3 minus 0 will be 3 only. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And in fourth question, our question is 906 minus 704. So in this, our ones column numbers are given to us 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we have written 2 here. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. So our answer is 202. Now fifth question is 734 minus 517. Now here in ones column, it is the numbers are given to us 4 minus 7. Can we subtract 7 from 4? No, because 4 is smaller than 7. As 4 is smaller than 7, so we have to take one borrow from the tens place number. So we have taken one borrow here. It becomes 14. So now we will deduct 14 minus 7, and here as we had given 1 here, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Here we are left with 2. So 14 minus 7 is 7, and 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we got the answer 217. Now in sixth question, in one place 1 minus 8 is given. Now again 1 is smaller than 8, so we have taken one borrow from here. Here it becomes 11, and here 5 minus 1 is becoming 4. 11 minus 8 is 3, so we have written 3 in ones column. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6, so we got the answer 623. Now in seventh question, our question is 843 minus 658. Now again we will start from the ones column. Now 3 is smaller than 8, so we have taken one borrow from here. Here it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, and here we have given one borrow from here. So here it becomes 4 minus 1 3. Now again 3 is smaller than 5, so again we have to take one borrow from the hundred place number. So again it becomes 13 here, and here we had given one number, so 8 minus 1 is 7. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. So we got the answer 185. Now in eighth question, our question is 545 minus 386. Now 5 is smaller than 6, so again we have to take one borrow from here. Here it becomes 15, and here 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. So we had written 9 here. Then 3 minus 8 is again 3 is smaller than 8. So we have taken one borrow from here. Here it becomes 13. And 5 minus 1, here it becomes 4. So 13 minus 8 is 5. So we have written 5 here. 4 minus 3 is 1. We have written 1 here. So our answer is 159. Now ninth question is given to us 436 minus 319. So again we will start from ones column. 6 minus 9. Now 6 is smaller than 9, so we have taken one borrow. Here it becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. So we have written 7 here in the ones column. Now here we are left with 2, because we have given 1 for the borrow. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we got the answer 117. Now in 10th question, the question is 232 minus 53. On 100 place in the second number, 100 place nothing is given to you, so we had assumed 0 here. Wherever nothing is given to us, we are assuming 0 there. So we are starting from the ones column. 2 is smaller than 3, so we have taken one borrow. Here it becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, so we have written 9 here. Here 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So 2 is smaller than 5. Again we will take one borrow. Here it becomes 12, and here 2 minus 1 is 1. 12 minus 5 is 7, so we have written 7 here, and 1 minus 0 is 1 only, so we have written 1 here. So we got the answer 179. In 11th question, ones column 580 minus 290, ones column it is given 0 and 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0 only. Now again 8 is smaller than 9, so we have taken one borrow. Here it becomes 18, and here 5 minus 1 4, so 18 minus 9 is 9, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got the answer 290. In the 12th question, the question is 675 minus 487. So now 15 minus 5 minus 7 we can't do, so we have taken one borrow. Here it becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8, so we have written 8 here, and in tens column 7 is there. We have given one borrow from it, so it becomes 6 there. Now 6 is again smaller than 8, so we have taken one borrow from the 100 place. It becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8 only, and here we have given one borrow, so again here it becomes 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, so we got the answer 188. So like this, these are the very simple and easy questions you can able to solve by yourself. So 13, 14, 15, 16 I am giving you homework for doing practice. So do practice of these questions. Now this exercise is finished. Hope you understand.